Let me show you how we can record screen on Samsung Galaxy S25. So in order to find the screen recorder, we need to find the button in quick settings. So we need to open quick settings, and you might be able to find it over here. In my case, the screen recorder is located in this place. And if you don't have the screen recorder, you want to press this pen icon in order to edit those shortcuts, and you should be able to find it in available buttons somewhere. Once you tap on the button in order to add it to the list, you can press done in the top right corner twice. So if you press screen recorder, then you can choose to record without the sound, with media sound, or with media and microphone. And then you can also show and hide touches. And then we can press start recording. We have the countdown, we can skip it as well. Over here in the top right corner, by default, we have these buttons that we can use to, for example, pause the recording, to stop the recording, to enable and disable the front camera, and to also draw something on the screen. You can also tap on this arrow in order to hide those buttons, and in order to reveal them, we need to swipe them outside. And that is it. Of course, recorded videos you can find, for example, in the gallery. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!